can't believe I'm allergic to my best friend. How can that be?
Don't ask me. I'm still trying to figure out how in the world people can be allergic to cats.
Every time the Hare comes near me, I almost sneeze my full hat off.
Oh, this is serious.
I'll say, a good friend is nothing to sneeze at. Well, Hare is my friend right to the end. To the end, he'll see me through.
That's true.
But I'm allergic to Hare. It's just not fair, and I just don't know what to do.
A good friend will pick you up when you are down.
A good friend will make you laugh by acting like a clown.
And a good friend will never, ever let you frown.
I'm allergic to Hare, and he makes me sneeze. When he comes too close, I tell him, hold it, freeze! I get down on my knees and beg him, please, you must go away or you will make me sneeze.
I know it's hard and it's just not fair,
but I'm allergic to my friend Hare.
A very good friend is nothing to sneeze at.
My best friend Hare is nothing to sneeze at. A friend like Hare is nothing to sneeze at.
If the Hare can't visit you anymore, perhaps the two of you could become pen pals.
But we like to have tea parties.
Tea parties through the mail could get a bit messy. Say, I've got the perfect idea. Hatter, instead of a tea party with the Hare, why not a TV party?
Sure how we're going to have a tea party with Mr. Hare if he's not going to be here.
Oh, it's really quite simple. Hare is about to have tea at his house. But once I tune him in on Crystal, thanks to our video camera, we'll be able to see him. And he'll be able to see us on his TV screen.
Oh, so it'll seem like we're at the same tea party.
Exactly. Just like old times. Well, the picture's working. Now we have to find out what channel Hare is on. No. No. This darn remote doesn't seem to be working properly. Oh, here we go. Hare, it's so good to see you.
Yes, it's good to see you. You too, Alice.
Hi, Mr. Hare. Isn't this fun?
Yes, and you're coming in loud and clear. How do I look?
Oh, from where I sit, you look not quite yourself. Oh.
What's that noise?
It's the Hare.
The Hare? Boy, does he need a shave.
Oh, shall we have some tea?
Yes, please. Won't you join me? A toast, my good friend.
Yes, a toast.
Here's mud in your eye, you desert snake.
Oh, come on, you silly thing. Work.
Sorry, it's my day off.
Hatter, Alice, is everything all right at your end?
It is now, Mr. Hare.
Did you get the special crumpets I sent you, Hare?
The crumpets? Oh, they're simply the best, most
wonderful way to get rid of unwanted pests.
I don't think this TV party's going to work.
Good news, Your Majesty. Hare just called to say that a whole new batch of your flowers have blossomed. So he'll be sending over a lovely flower arrangement for the party.
Oh, wonderful. That means that you can hand these out to my guests as they arrive.
Oh, perfect. Pretty petals for petty party people. A little alliteration, Your Highness, starting each word with the same letter. P. Have you decided yet on a new name for your lovely flowers?
Oh, well, I've finally narrowed it down to two choices. The first one is the Queen's Great Big Blue Flower. What do you think? You're right. I hate it. But the other one's better.
Oh, what's that one?
Well, how should I know? I haven't come up with it yet.
Hello, Caterpillar. Writing a letter to a friend?
Actually, I'm writing 3 letters to 3 friends. They're triplets. Come to think of it, all my pen pals are triplets. I wonder why that is.
I really must sit down and write a letter to my friend, the Hatter.
Why don't you just visit him the way you usually do?
Because all of a sudden it seems I make him sneeze whenever I get near him.
A friendship should be able to withstand a little sneezing.
It's not a little. It's a lot. Maybe some people were just never meant to be friends.
Oh, I wouldn't say that. Just listen to this story. Once there was a dog named Doug and a cat named Kate who grew up as best friends. They played the same games. They liked the same food. They even learned to speak each other's language. But eventually, they grew up, and Doug met some other dogs who made fun of him about Kate. How can you be friends with a cat, they teased. Everyone knows that cats and dogs don't mix. And so sadly, Doug stopped being friends with Kate. But Doug's new friends weren't good dogs. One day, someone complained to the dog catcher about the bad dogs. Doug's so-called friends ran off and left him to take the blame. Doug was scared. He didn't know where to turn. And then he remembered his old friend Kate the cat. Kate helped Doug hide, and when the dog catcher came, he was sure Doug wasn't there, because as everyone knows, dogs and cats don't mix. And so Doug learned who his true friend was. From that day, he vowed he and Kate would always stay friends, no matter what anyone said. After all, who says cats and dogs have to fight like cats and dogs?
Gosh, if a cat and dog can find a way to stay friends, there must be a way the Hatter and I can get around this allergy.
Ding dong! Special delivery for the March Hare.
My new suit. It's here. Oh, thank you. Lucky for me, I have a portable dressing room. Would you excuse me, please?
Wow! I guess it's true what they say. There's nothing like new clothes to give you a lift. When I'm feeling down to turn myself around, it's off to the clothes shop. I am bound. I try on a coat in my color and size, some slip-on shoes to keep me in stride. When my pants match my shirt, then everything is right. There's nothing like new clothes. Well, how about some super special corduroy? Maybe a 5-button wool sweater. The only thing I surely do know is when it comes to clothes, the newer the better. Not too loose and not too tight. There's nothing like new clothes. There's nothing like new clothes. There's nothing like new clothes.
Okay, I'm ready.